friends, today is the 15th day of Flutter, and today we are going to see two properties that are provided by the scaffold widget, which we have seen earlier, and that we will see in this video in the little deeper part. So the first one is drawer, and the second one is tab bar. Now the drawer is an invisible side screen, and it is a sliding left menu that generally contains important links in the application and occupies half of the screen when displayed. So we will see this drawer, uh, how to create this drawer in this video, and the second one is the tab bar. So tab bar can be at bottom side or at the top side, and that on using that tab bar we will have icons at the top of our page, and we can manipulate the screens by clicking on that tab. So let's jump to the coding part. So here is the app which we have created in the last video. So today we are going to create. So this is the drawer property that is provided by our scaffold widget. So we will create drawer by using this drawer widget. Now inside that we will use list view. Now inside list view we will give it first of all some padding. Now we will create children of this list view. Now the first children will be user, account, drawer, header. Now inside this we will first of all give account name. That will be the name of the user. Specify it as Sneha. Now we will give account email. Now we can also give current account picture, and we will inside this we will create circle avatar. Now inside this circle avatar we will give it some background color, and we will create one child. Now inside this child we can use any of the widget like text or image. So I will be using this asset. I will specify the I am having this image in my assets folder. Now I can also specify the width. That should be 50. Okay, just increase it to 60, and height should also be 60. Now just hit Control and S. Now here one uh, three lines that this is called the menu icon will be visible. So on clicking this, one drawer will open. So here is this drawer. We have created one circular avatar, and inside that we have given the account name, account email, and one image. Now just close this. Now I will wrap this image. Okay, instead of using this circle avatar, I will use container, and will remove this all. Now we'll give some height and width. That should be 60 and width should be 60. Now just hit Ctrl and S. Now we have to change the color. For that I will use this decoration, box decoration. Inside that I will specify the color. That should be color dot white. Just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see one container is created. Now I will give it border radius dot circular, and the radius should be 100 so that I can have one circular container. So here is. Now we will use the image property to display the image. So for that we have to use the decoration image method. Inside that image property, now we are going to use asset image. So now we have to specify the path. Jupyter.png. Okay, jpg. Now just hit Ctrl and S. Now we have to fit it inside the screen. So box fit dot fill. Okay, just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see that the container is filled. We can also use it contain. Now it is not. Okay, just use cover. Now it's good. Now we will create another children, that is list tile, to specify. Now the leading will be the icon dot home. Title can be home. Just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see we have created one menu, that is home. Now we can specify the on tap property so that anyone can, if anyone is tapping on this, he or she can go to some page. So for that we will create one page. Okay, just create one class, state plus home page, and that is having one container. Inside that the child will be text. Hit Ctrl and S. We have to call this on tab property. So just call that home page. I just hit Ctrl and S. Now on tapping this home page, okay, we have to push this. So that section will see how to route our page, that we will see in the later part. Till that we will create 1-2 more list type. Settings. Settings. So these are the menu available. So this is all about the drawer part. Now we will see how to create tab bar. So here we have inside this we have created one container for storing the image, account name, account email, and some icons and text. So we will remove this. Okay, no need to remove, just grab it. Okay, so we are going to use one another property, that is tabs. Okay, we have to use that inside. Okay, now inside this we are going to use tab bar. So we will create tabs, different tabs that can be similar to our navigation bar. So the first will be home. Okay. We don't have to use this text widget for this home. I just hit Control and S. Okay, we are having some error, that is no tab. Okay, so first of all, so we are going to remove this whole thing. Okay, just remove from here. Now we will change this title as tab bar. Now will be default tab controller. Now inside this we will specify the length, that how many tabs we want. Now we will create child scaffold. Now appa. Now we will give it title as appa. Now hit Control and S. We can change the color. Okay. Now we will create some tabs. For that we will use appa widget. Now we will specify tabs. So as we are having length 3, so we have to create 3 tabs. Now we can give some icon to that. First will be home. Okay. The text should be home. Just we are going to copy this. We will create 3 tabs. Now just hit Control and S. Now you can see we have created 3 tabs. Now we will change the icon. Second should be setting. Third should be local grocery store. We will also change the text. Just hit Control and S to see the changes. Now you can see we have created 3 tabs. Now we will create individual page for all the three tabs. So for that, inside this scaffold, we will create body of tab bar view. Okay, and we will specify the children of this tab bar. So first will be the home page. So you can see here what we are having length. Okay, we have specified length 3. So we have to specify 3 children. Just hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see this all the 3 tabs are linked to the same page. So we will create different class for all these 3 tabs. So the second one should be setting page and the third one should be store. Now we will hit Ctrl and OK. Still haven't changed. The third one is store page. Now you can see the content will be changed. Okay, the text should be different. So for setting page it should be setting. For store pages should be store. Now you can see the text has been changed. Now we will wrap the container inside the center widget. So this text will be at center and we will give some styling to our text. So just going to just increase the font size to 60. Okay, just copy this, paste it over here, wrap it inside center widget, paste it over here, wrap the container inside the center widget. Now hit Ctrl and S. Now you can see the text has been moved to the center. So this was all about the tab bar property which is provided by the scaffold widget. So thank you.